Good evening. Hello. Welcome back as we begin this journey. So I started my new assignment, and I will say it is rather interesting. I'm literally in a city, right? A beautiful city of, I don't want to say where I'm at, but I'm actually in endoscopy. It's rather different, I may say, than your typical sterile processing department. The reason is mainly because we only deal with scopes, different types of scopes, the inner scopes, upper, lower, all types of scopes, literally all types of scopes. Within sterile processing, you will deal with scopes, but on a very small level. Now, many sterile processing departments may have a medivator. However, they don't deal with all of the scopes that an endoscopy does. I will encourage you, people, if you are within sterile processing in the hospital, go to your endoscopy unit. See if there is availability there, because more times you actually may be able to get a position within a department that's a key specialty. Endoscopy is a specialty. When dealing with scopes, you will have a broad knowledge of knowing how to not only identify scopes, but also how to clean scopes, have a familiarity with handling it, because you somewhat dealt with it in sterile process. You understand the clean, dirty, and sterile side of a department, right? With endoscopy, it's similar, but it's only dealing with scopes. When you're receiving a scopes, it may have a balloon at the tip of the lens. There are different ports to clean out of. There are different connections when actually using a scope buddy. There's various channels to clean. So I will encourage anybody, if you are in sterile processing and you are somewhat bored of the redundant type of work you're receiving, go to endoscopy. Maybe that may be a bridge for you to not only just learn something new, but after endoscopy, you are exposed to other people, other technicians. You're exposed to more so of the patient side, because you're going to see a lot of patients going into surgery, and you receiving that scope for you to clean and get it sterile for use for the next patient or for the next day. So I will just encourage anybody, if you are in sterile processing, try your luck. Mind you, I'm endoscopy currently now with no certification in endoscopy. Now, however, will that change? Maybe, because me being in a department and not having a certification in it is already wild. And I'm doing this as a traveler. They put me in it because I do have experience with scopes, but the level of scopes that they actually that they use within a day is relatively high. So the hospital that I'm at a cancer center, and we predominantly do 75 cases. Now, this is only endoscopy. I'm not talking about sterile processing where they do all instruments for all the departments. This is only endoscopy. So we're doing about over 70. If they're doing 70 cases, within those 70 cases, they're using about 3 to 2 scopes a day for one patient. So it adds up. It's a high turnover. I would show you guys the department. However, I probably won't, because my first day on the assignment, the manager states to me, "Hey, listen, I'm not going to say too much. I'm not going to say too little. We don't record in the department." Just want to throw that out there too. He says he has to tell every traveler this. So I took that and I said, copy. No sweat. So yeah, I'm just doing this video because I just want to encourage you guys. If you never went to endoscopy, just try it out. If if the pay is worth it. So I would say if you are already in sterile processing and you just looking to, you want to get out of the department, you want to try something new, you may want to expand your specialty, your skill level. See if you can go to endoscopy. Most people, if you're in sterile processing, the obvious move next is surgical tech or anesthesia or radiology. Those are moves that will coincide with each other, because sterile processing and surgical tech, it's the instruments, you're very familiar with certain cases, the anatomy, things of that sort, and you're more involved with patient care. With radiology is not so much, you're not so much interactive patient care. It's more so getting a screenshot, video of the patient's body structure. But yeah, check it out. Endoscopy, guys. All right, don't say I didn't put you on. There are positions within sterile processing that allow you to check out endoscopy, so check it out. Peace.